will place links to the GitHub repo that I had to sideload the release from onto my S24 Ultra, and a couple of other things in the description. Can I show you what I'm talking about here? And this is literally an experimental thing.
Folder colon experiment. Both eyes. 0 zip stop. Button. Pause. Button. MacroDroid. Window. Experiment. Macro. AI image analysis task plugin.
Okay, that is the piece of software that I sideloaded after putting it off GitHub. And it literally, here, I'm going to go into it now to show you what I'm talking about. But it's available then for both Tasker and MacroDroid as a plugin that you can use during activities. Let's go into it quickly.
AI image analysis task plugin. Battery 46%. Stop. Button. Windows Samsung capture. Button. Window AI image analysis not selected. Gemini open parent online closed parent. Radio
This
button.
is the list
Disabled.
of LM
2 of 5.
providers that it can work with, but the most important thing I've done here,
Not selected. Button. Out of list. Content colon slash 00 stop. Button. Pause.
it's been
Google slash Claude slash open router keys are not set colon add your keys if you want to use these online models. Not selected. Not content colon slash AI image analysis task plugin. Settings. Button.
Going to go into settings here.
Selected. TensorFlow. Test recognition. Button. Not selected. Gemma 4E2B open parent local device closed parent. Radio button. 5 of 5.
See,
In
that's
list.
the
5 items.
Google Gemma LLM, and what I did is I went in here and I was able to download it, and you can then basically work with it. Just
Selected.
Select it now.
Test recognition. Google slash Claude slash open router keys are not set colon add your AI image analysis task plugin. Settings. Button. Collapse. Button. Windows
So I've
Samsung
done
capture.
this now. We go in here.
Test not selected. Test recognition. Not selected. Gemma 4E2B open parent local device closed parent. Radio button.
Yeah, the
5 of
software-
5. In list. 5 items.
Software basically let me download a LLM engine onto my phone. It was 2.4 gig, but it's there now and it's available. Let's go up here again.
Home. Folder colon experiment. 405. Capture. LLM. AI image analysis. MacroDroid.
Okay, MacroDroid, because this is how I'm using it through MacroDroid. And we'll go
MacroDroid.
into the macro, yeah?
Macros. Tab. Macros. LLM underscore query. Edit macro.
A macro called LLM query. I'm just going to scan through the steps here, the actions, so you can see what I'm talking about.
Set local variable open parent string actions. 3 of shortcut launched. 2 of 14.
Okay, the trigger that fires this macro is a shortcut launched, and you'll see that's why you can use that to then create a shortcut on your home screen. But let's go through the actions now.
Actions. 3 reorder actions. Add action. Set local variable open parent string closed parent. Or underscore result colon not yet. 4 of 14.
Set the result string or underline result to a blatant whatever placeholder string of not yet.
Take picture. Rear facing. 5 of 14.
I say take picture using the rear facing camera,
Wait 2 seconds.
and I save
6
it
of
to
14.
a specific folder in the internal storage of the phone. It's underline /pictures /macros. Then I tell it to wait 2 seconds, just make sure it's saving the file.
List files images. /storage /emulated /0 /picture /macros. 7 of 14.
That then loads all the pictures in that folder into an array, because I'm going to use the value of the first, because I sort them in descending order by the date. Temporary names based on the date and time. So in descending order means the first item in that array is the latest photo.
Set local variable open parent string closed parent. S underscore M colon open brace LV equals R underscore M open bracket 0 closed bracket open bracket 4 path closed brace. 8 of 14.
So what I do is I set the string variable S underline IMG to the full path to that first image, or the last image, now the most recent one.
Analyze image with AI. Engine colon GEMMA4 image path colon open brace LV equals S underscore M closed brace user prompt colon please provide a concise description for this image. Analyze image with AI. 9 of 14.
And that is the call to that plugin that I've installed. And I included the string, command string. Please provide a concise description of this image.
Wait 5 seconds. 10 of 14.
That is wait 5 seconds just to let it have time to process the image, because it's running the LLM 100% locally on the same.
Speak text. Apostrophe open brace LV equals or underscore result closed brace apostrophe. 11 of 14.
And there I read out the result. So let's give it a go now.
MacroDroid. Selected.
MacroDroid.
Home. Home. Folder colon experiment. Both eyes. CapDroid. LLM underscore query.
Okay. And there is the shortcut that fires up that macro. So I'm going to point it at my laptop and just double tap it and we'll see what happens.
MacroDroid. Home.
That was it taking a photo.
A close-up view of a computer screen displaying lines of code in a .-themed programming or text editor.
There you go. That was the concise description of what's in front of the camera. And it's running fully offline because even if I turn on flight mode or whatever, it still works as is because the LLM is being made use of on this handset.